Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by identifying your Surface pen model and the correct replacement tip. This matters because different pens use different nib sizes. Next, power off your tablet or PC and set it on a flat, stable surface so you avoid accidental marks. Once done, grip the pen firmly about halfway and use tweezers or the included removal tool to pull the old tip straight out. Do not twist violently because you can bend internal parts. Now inspect the replacement nib for burrs or deformities. A damaged tip will affect performance. Then align the rounded base of the new tip with the pen's opening, making sure it's straight. Misalignment can jam the mechanism. Gently push the tip into the barrel until you feel it seat. You might sense a subtle click or increased resistance. If it doesn't slide in smoothly, pull back and reorient rather than forcing, because excessive force can harm the clutch. Finish by pairing the pen if needed and testing pressure sensitivity, tilt, and click in a drawing app. Make strokes of light and firm pressure to confirm behavior. If the pen is unresponsive, reseat the tip and retry, then check or replace the pen battery and reboot your device. These simple steps fix many issues. If the tip wobbles or performance is off after a proper install, try another replacement nib or contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.